What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making mustard fried chicken. Yes, it's my first time making it, and we have over here the chicken soaking in vinegar water with salt. It's just about ready to be done, so I'm going to go ahead and turn on my oil so it can get hot. And we're gonna come over here and season the flour. I was gonna call it powder, what the heck. So if you're new here, please subscribe, like this video, and stay tuned to see the end result. So I have my ingredients over here. We have the yellow mustard. We have salt, pepper, seasoned salt, onion powder, paprika, garlic powder, and parsley flakes just to give it a little flair. So first, I'm going to start my oil. It's gonna heat for about 10 minutes, and then we're going to drop everything on in. So let's attempt this. So first, I'm going to pour my mustard in the chicken. Now I'm just using a generic brand. I feel like that's enough. I heard that you don't even taste the mustard, so we'll see. We have a little bit of season, a little bit of onion powder, paprika. I love my paprika. Garlic powder. Just a little bit of parsley. I'm not sure what this does, but we're gonna try it out. Black pepper. Just a little bit of salt. Okay, and before I touch the chicken, I'm gonna go ahead and season my flour. So for the flour, I'm not gonna do too much. I think I'm just gonna do a little bit of garlic powder and paprika. And this is about a cup of flour. I don't have that many wings. And dash of salt. All right. Let's go ahead and get all that mixed in. Now for the fun part, mixing it all in together. I'm really curious to see what this is gonna taste like. It smells good already. I might have added too much mustard, but that's the beauty of cooking, trial and error. I know next time I do this, if it comes out at least decent, I'll know to add less or more. Get everything mixed up, seasoned up. There you have that. All right, guys, so stay tuned. When the oil is ready, we'll drop our chicken. All right, You know the drill. Gotta test the oil. Looking like it's ready, guys. So I'm just gonna drop about 4 in there at a time. If I had a bag, this would be easier to coat. One more. Don't want to overcrowd it. These are going to fry for about 8 minutes. Gotta get golden. Those bad boys in there. Alright, stay tuned for more. So what I'm doing now is just going ahead and flouring the rest of them so I can start the sides without a mess, having to keep getting a new glove. Okay guys, so it's been about 8 to 9 minutes. They're browning very beautifully. I think I'm gonna keep them in there for 1 more minute. They look so delicious. I'm so curious to see what they actually taste like. Look how beautiful they are. Get those tips in there real good. When they start floating to the top, that's how you know they're done. So, yeah. And then we have greens over here. We just have some glory greens. It's just my son and I tonight. So I have some glory greens over here. Oh, I better spoon in that. Take out these babies. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. Looking good. Now we're gonna use these tongs. Pop in some more. All right, loves, it's just about time to take out batch number 2. They have risen. Okay, let's throw that last batch in there. Make our other side, which is probably going to just be some butter beans. I had a taste for some butter beans and some greens, and they're just going to be from the can. Make it simple on us. Something my kid enjoys, so why not? If you're liking what you see, please like this video and stay tuned. The last batch. Then we're done. I'm gonna go wash these dishes. All right, guys, so it looks like our last batch is golden and ready. We're floating. And that's it, y'all. Mustard fried chicken. Go ahead and turn this off. I just want to say thank you for watching. My butter beans are going crazy. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video for more videos, and much love to you all. Peace out. So I had to come back on here because I had a piece, and I just want to say that I'm amazed. If you're ever doubting making mustard fried chicken, don't doubt it any longer. You need to go ahead and make it tonight. It is so good, and you really can't taste the mustard. Like, where'd it go? They're crispy, crunchy, and juicy on the inside, and I don't think I'm gonna fry chicken any other way. So, like this video, share this video with a friend, with your family members, with your mama, and subscribe if you haven't already, please, and push that bell so you know when I'm dropping another video. Thank you so much for watching and for your support. Much love to you all. Peace out.